Hey there! Today, let's dive into a problem that involves reading an array of bytes between two addresses using the memory.dll library in C#. The challenge here is to extract a string that lies within two specified memory addresses. If you're new to memory.dll and parsing data, fear not. We'll walk through the solution step by step. Now let's focus on the solution. As per the provided guidance, the approach involves first obtaining the start and end addresses where the desired string resides. By using the AOB scan results and AOB scan results 2 variables, we can pinpoint these locations. Once we have the addresses, we calculate the length of the data between them. Remember to validate that the start address is indeed less than the end address to avoid any mishaps. Finally, using the mem.readBytes method with the start address in hexadecimal form and the calculated length, we can retrieve the array of bytes containing the desired string. And just like that, we've successfully captured the data we need. In summary, we've tackled the problem of extracting a string from memory addresses using the memory.dll library in C#. By following the outlined steps, we were able to efficiently retrieve the array of bytes situated between two specified addresses. I hope this solution was helpful to you. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, like this video if you found it useful, and comment below with your thoughts or any funny coding mishaps you've encountered. Stay curious and keep coding.